Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can block some user in Messenger. So you have Messenger, you have chats, and you can block any person here so they can't write or call you in Messenger. How to do it. See, for this you just need to go to the Messenger application. Now here you open the item chats. Now here we find the person we want to block. We select here this person, for example. Now we click here on top of the profile. Go a little bit lower, we have here the item block. We click block, and here we have here the item block messages and calls. Click on this item. Now click on the button block. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support Channel. Bye bye.